Hare Krishna. So remember what we discussed in our last class? You had that recording? Okay. What was the discussion? कोई है क्या? कोई आया क्या? We can see the flow we can see here. So first argument we discussed. What was the first argument? Arjuna's means he's going to give 5 reasons why he will not fight. First reason is relatives. So the name we given is compassion. He's compassionate towards his relative. That's why I cannot fight. So what we saw, why what is the wrong in this? Ah, okay. One sense there he's attached to bodily things. So Krishna is going to see from one point there is there verse number 1 minute. Yeah, you can see here. From 1.28. One is the chapter number, 28 is the verse. From 28 to 30, Arjuna told that I cannot fight because they are my relatives. So he is one sense compassionate towards his devotee relatives. But this is bodily things because he is considering the body. They are my relatives because we took birth in same family. So that is the wrong thing. And then second thing he told is, I will not get any happiness, no enjoyment only. Why? Yeah, very good. He told that from verse number 31 to 35, if I kill everyone after I attain my kingdom, with whom I will enjoy? Someone should be there to reciprocate my happiness. Whenever you are happy, you will give some sweet to someone. No one is there. What is the use of happy? Like running race, I became first. Someone said, oh, how it is? I am alone brand. I am the only person. So there is no मजा ही नहीं आता ना कुछ 4 5 लोग 10 लोग 15 लोग है then you became first you beat everyone. So similarly if you want to enjoy also someone should be there to reciprocate the happiness. So if no one is there all relatives dies then what is the use of getting that kingdom? That is second. Krishna is going to give answer in this 2.31 and 32. So third one is this is the reason today we are going to discuss. He is fearful of sinful reaction. Okay, this is Arjuna's third argument. It is from verse number 36 to 38. So three verse. Arjuna's fear is I will get sin. Why? Can anyone guess why he is feeling that I will get sin? Yeah, very good. Killing Guru. It is not good. He is my teacher. How can I kill him? I will get sin. And of course, Bhishma Pitama is very noble person. Of course, he is in Adharmic side, but still he is very affectionate with us. I don't want to kill him. But here one thing we should see, Arjuna is considering all this. But Duryodhan, why? He is thinking, I don't want kingdom, I don't want to fight. Is Duryodhana is thinking like that? Somehow I want to kill him. I have to get the kingdom. Why he is thinking like this, Duryodhana? And Arjuna is thinking in different way. Uh, he's devotee of the Lord. So he has that good characters. Last time we saw also, right? That what is that? If money is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So character is very important. So that character, he has good character. That's why he able to think that uh, I don't want this kingdom. Let them only enjoy. But whereas Duryodhana doesn't have good character, somehow kill and get the kingdom and enjoy. So what is sin? That we will see to now. Before that, one sense sin means wrong activities we are doing. For that we are getting the result. That is sin. The result will be suffering, painful. But nowadays nobody is fearful of sin. इसमें लिखते हैं ना टी शर्ट में भी जस्ट डू इट जो लग रहा है करो खाओ पियो मजा करो डोंट बॉदर अबाउट what will happen, who knows what is going to happen. So people are not bothered only, and they are not aware that I am suffering also. It is very ignorant condition. There is one story is there, one sadhu was going on. So there was one river, one scorpion is going, and the scorpion is about to fall in the river. Immediately the sadhu went and caught the hold of that tail of that scorpion, and he tried to lift it. Immediately the scorpion, what it will do? Sting. Thought. Then immediately he left it. And again he tried to lift it. Again it sting. So he was keep on doing. One person was watching. And he asked, why are you doing? This is troubling you. It is stinging you. And again you are lifting it. Let it die. Said, no, this is the my dharma is I have to protect. The dharma of the scorpion is stinging. And this is so ignorant. It doesn't know I am falling in the river. I am going to suffer. Similarly, these people, they don't know. They are doing so many sinful activity and they are suffering also. And they are thinking I am happy. So people, you see drinking. Is drinking is good? थोड़ा ज़्यादा पी लिया इतना जलता है. If you ask, I asked my friends all. I seen they drink so much, then they have to vomit. And it burns so badly. Early morning, they so much. So क्या बोलते कुछ तो नाम बोलते. I'm not able to remember. So they forget everything ना. क्या चला something they say. Right. If I remember, I will tell. So they will go in such a stage, so much suffering while, and it is very horrible to drink also. It's a chemical, right? Such a, someone drinks how it smells. And they are in the smell and it is very heavy to drink. They have to mix. I seen everything. The Coca-Cola, this, that, and they have to drink. As soon as they drink, that tongue will distaste and they have to eat something. Side is bolte na. Such a horrible thing. And they are thinking that is happiness. After drinking, they will go mad. क्या कर रहे हैं उनको समझ नहीं आते. So in this material world, you see everything is similarly like this only. Any enjoyment you take, like eating, people kill animal and eat. So I want to enjoy, so you die. Something like that. I want chicken is there. I have to kill that and do all masala fry and eat. So see how I am suffering and then I am thinking I am enjoying. But they are so much ignorant, they are unable to understand. So the sin is there in different level and the suffering also there in different level. BMW, you can remember. What is BMW means? Body, mind, words. So one can inflict sin to others in these three things. Words means scolding someone. Mind means troubling someone. Like you are going for exam and I am so much envious of you. I will keep your hall ticket and somewhere I will keep it. I will hide that. So कितना विचलित हो जाता है मुश्किल होता है आपको. You'll lament like anything. So that is giving pain in mind level. Body is literally beating someone. So how you are doing the action, accordingly I am going to get. Someone will be scolding me. I did not do anything wrong. Why am I getting scolding? कुछ तो किया है. You have kept the seed. It grown and it gave now fruit. And some people you see always mentally disturbed. इतना भी बोलो पता नहीं कुछ नहीं रहते फिर भी वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाते. So this is called this all sinful. The sin is you can see somebody is getting ugly body, somebody is getting birth in poor family, somebody is getting animal body. No, body also you can different body. So these are all the reaction of sin. We did some action, the reaction is coming now. The different level suffering also will be there. Like in bus, you see accident will happen. Is it not everyone will die? The first person driver will be sitting, sometimes he will not die. उनको पहले लगता है but someone may die, someone hand will be broken, someone leg will be broken. किसी को कुछ भी होता भी नहीं. This is God's mercy. So according to the, at least he will get some pain, difficult. सब लोग मर गया. He has to see that thing, right? So that suffering is there in different level. Sometimes bomb blast happen. Someone may not die. I remembered the place from where I am coming is one fire incident happened in the school. 96 children died. You might have heard in Kumbakonam there. Just next to my school, that school is. I was, I think, 11th or 12th studying. So that day, one my brother's friend, so he's a driver. So his son did not go to school, fortunately. That same class, many children died. So how it happened? Somehow he was pushing the child. Aapka health theek hai, beta jao. He said, no, not good. I will not go. He was crying. So he felt that, my lord, how? So some good karma is there. Means his time did not come. So the sin will act at any time. We don't know how, and from whatever way it act, we don't know only. That's why we say na that our four regulative principle, you know, right? ISKCON. What are all? No, no, no will come. No meat eating, no illicit relationship, and no gambling. So there's no meat eating. That's why this meat eating is not allowed. We are giving trouble to other living entity and we are enjoying. So, and there is another thing also. Then what about vegetarian? That is also killing. Like there is one thing we should understand. By following rules, one will not one doesn't going to get punishment, right? Like I am coming from America. So America they follow right side. India they follow left side. So I cannot say that. I followed right side here also. I will follow right side only. Then you will be punished. Like a person in army. I have discussed this example many times. He can go and shoot in the border. He can kill many terrorists. He will get award. And he came to home. Neighbor is so much troubling. Will he get award? Immediately he will imprisoned. Why? He followed. He was under the authority. He did that activity. So he got award. Now he is doing on his own. Similarly, that vegetarian is allowed by scripture. If you follow, then there is no sin. And in one sense, either we are vegetarian, neither nor non-vegetarian. Srila Prabhupada says we are Krishnatarian. We accept only prasadam. Neither vegetarian nor non-vegetarian. So that's why devotees are Krishnatarian. So that's that Arjuna is very good person. He has good character. That's why he should be able to see that pain, what is going to happen in the future. Whereas Duryodhana is not able to see. He's in a bodily level. So that's why he's thinking about the enjoyment. And he thinks if I get happiness, I will become happy. I will be satisfied. We will see what exactly his mentality is. Papam yevashrayat asman. You can repeat. Papam. एक minute. Advaitan aptatayina tasmanarabhayam hantum dhritarashtran sabandhavan svajanam hi katam hatva sukina shyama madhava. So what Arjuna is telling, see, sin will overcome us if we slay such aggressors. Therefore, it is not proper for us to kill the sons of Dhritarashtra and our friends. What should we gain, O Krishna, husband of the goddess of fortune? And how could we be happy by killing our own kinsmen? So he's clearly telling, what am I going to get by killing them? So here he used this name. This Madhava here. So the meaning of this name word Madhava is husband of goddess of fortune. Means goddess of fortune means Lakshmi Devi or Radharani or Sita Devi you can have. Husband is Krishna, Rama, Narayana you can have. So he's telling fortune. You are telling you are the husband of goddess of fortune, and you are telling me to kill and get misfortune. If I kill them, I will get misfortune. So indirectly, he is telling Krishna. So he's telling, don't bring inauspiciousness. You should bring auspiciousness. शाम को हम कैसे पूजा करते हैं, रंगोली पूरा डालते हैं, किसके लिए मालूम है? सुबह सुबह करते हैं, शाम को करते हैं, क्यों? टू लक्ष्मी देवी विल कम टू ब्रिंग ऑस्पिशियसनेस, है ना? So here one more thing is used, the word atatayina. This atatayina means aggressors. So here it is said, if we slay such aggressors can be killed with there is no sin. So now who are the aggressors? There are 6 type of aggressors are there. Shastra says. The aggressor is one who kills with weapons. If somebody is trying to kill you with a weapon, trying to kill, he is one aggressor. And if somebody is feeding poison, and someone is kidnapping other person's wife, which example you can give? Very good, Ravan. Setting fire to the house, plundering riches, and usurping land. These are the 6 aggressors. Sanskrit में आतताईस बोलते. So this all these things these Kauravas did to Pandavas. Can you see? Can you tell killing with weapons means? नहीं नहीं, example किधर हुआ, किसके हुआ? We can see in Kurukshetra war. Feeding poison. अच्छा, correct. So killing with weapon is Abhimanyu was killed very illegal way. Means it is not cruel way. It is not. It is injustice, not justice. So that is that one thing, because he is 16 years old only, and all the Maharathis came. You remember Maharathis? They came and they plotted and they killed him. It is not a fair. So that is Abhimanyu, and of course, sons of Draupadis. They all killed 5 sons. Who killed? Very good. Aswathama killed. So this one thing. This is why they are Atatais. They can be killed. Second one, what we saw? Anybody remember? Bhim. They fed poison to Bhim. In childhood, it happened. In childhood, only this Duryodhana doesn't like Bhim. While they were playing also, he made nice cake, poisoned cake, and he fed to Bhim. Bhim liked to eat. He knows to kill Bhim means something. We have to feed. Otherwise, that fellow I cannot fight and kill. So he kept poison in the cake and he fed. Bhim became very happy. So he ate, and then after that he tied and kept him in water. So and then there were so many snakes. They started biting him. Then somehow he started came out, and that poison, this poison counteract. This snake, this way. Then he started fighting with the snake. He is killing. Then that head snake came and he told, "Why are you beating us?" Then they explained. Then they said, "Okay, we will give you amrut." They gave some kind of nectar. After he drank, he became more powerful. 1,000 elephant power he got from that amrut. So this is what they are atatais. They fed poison and kidnapping. Who kidnapped? Who is he? Anybody knows? I don't know. You can understand or not. Jayadratha. Whom he kidnapped? Yeah, Draupadi. Of course, Ravan also kidnapped. That is also there. And setting fire. They set fire to this wax house. This Pandavas and Kunti Maharani was also there. This Dhritarashtra did not think only she is widow and she is woman. So how he did not that better kill. That is one thing. And then plundering riches. So this is setting fire. You know what happened that time? There some people drank and came. They kept that body there, and they thought Pandavas really died. But while going, who gave them hint that you are going to be killed? Yes, yes, Vidur. So he told. Okay. Then plundering riches, when they how they try to plunder their properties, everything. Now you can understand. Dice game. And usurping land. That is what happened in this Kurukshetra war. That's why this war happened. This Mahabharata, this Bhagavad Gita all came. So Arjuna is very saintly person. So he's considering, I don't want to kill this Kauravas. But this is cowardism. Covered. He's covered. Even Lord Ram also, Ravana was kidnapped. Ravana kidnapped Sita Devi. But he did not consider, I don't want to kill. Let him be happy. No, he said, he has to die. He should be killed. Of course, he gave some, if he comes and surrender unto me, accept the mistake, I can forgive. So in one sense, you see, Ravana is so demonic. Here, Duryodhan party also demonic. But here, Arjuna's relatives, they are. For Lord Ram, they are not, Ravan is not relative. So how to kill? But still, they are Atatais, Adharmic, they should kill. And this is Satriya Dharma. If someone calls you for playing dice game, you have to go. If Satriya is challenged, they have to do it. If someone is coming, you have to fight with me. Then Satriya has to do. He should not run. Then otherwise he will be called, you are not Satriya. So that's why, and he is very cowardly telling that I will not fight. They are waiting to fight. You have to go and fight. Either you die or you should kill them. That is Satriya's fight. ऐसा नहीं भागना पैसा दे के ये वो करने either do either you alive or they should alive or either you should die or they should die. But what Shastra says that we have to follow finally. Shastra is the way, what means the truth, what we have to follow. One should follow the Shastra. So this, okay, we'll decide. Oh Janardana, although this man, their hearts overtaken by greed, see no fault in killing one's family or quarreling with the friends. Why should we? He's telling these people are greedy people. They don't know what I am doing. Fighting with the family and killing them. He's not considering. But why we should do like that? We should be gentlemen. He's telling that. And they cannot see any crime in destroying family. Arjuna able to see what will happen if we fight. So Arjuna able to see. There is a sloka is there in Bhagavad Gita. 3 ways to hell. Trividam naragayute. Lust, anger, greed. These 3 things is the gateway to hell. No one wants to become Gunavan. Everyone wants to become Dhanavan. No Gunavan. So here Duryodhan is like this, but Arjun is Gunavan. He has good character. He wants wealth, riches, opulent. Okay, here it is given, if someone commits sins knowingly, the effect will be very high. Like a thief is stealing and police is stealing. Who will be highlighted in paper? Why? He has to protect. Same case Arjuna. You have to fight and protect. They are adharmis. If they win, what will happen? They will do more nonsense things only. Like nowadays, these politicians are coming and they are telling such a things. You can kill cow. They are not stopping anything. These are all, king has to stop all these things. Otherwise, citizens will not be happy. So much problem will come. So same thing Arjuna. Arjuna is knowingly committing sin now. He is telling, I will not do sin. But actually it is sin. Because you are not fighting. You are not following your dharma. Your police is telling, no, I will not shoot. Why to shoot? He doesn't have money, so he stolen. He killed a person and took the chain and went. Anyhow, he has money. No, police has to take action. So a person who doesn't have knowledge, usko ignorant bolte. He will commit sinful activity, but not one who is in knowledge. What knowledge? Shastra Gyan, not something studying in college or school. There they won't teach this thing. There they will teach how you can be happy, how you can give more enjoyment to the body. That only they will teach. Means how you can commit more sinful activity in one sense. Happiness means committing sinful activity one sense in this material world. But spiritual happiness is something different. That slowly we will see. But here, this Duryodhana is thinking, if I accumulate this kingdom, I will become king. I have so many wealth, rich, and so many servants are there. I can become very happy. But actually, that is not. People, they will be so much frustrated if they have so many things. If they have one opulent also, if you Miss World, she is very beautiful, but she cannot come outside peacefully. Somebody has so much money. This Bill Gates, he had so much money. and he doesn't have any friend also. Whoever comes to him, they will come to him for money only. He was frustrated. I don't have any true friend. I Many people are talking with me nicely, sweetly, but for this, but true friend I don't have. He has to disguise himself and went and he got one friend. He was not like Bill Gates. He was disguised as some other person. Then people naturally they were talking very naturally. So this opulence is not going to give happiness. It is going to give us trouble. If you are a very famous person, like a famous like actor, can he come peacefully in street? He cannot come. Everyone will come autograph. दे दो photo निकालता हूँ. He'll be very much frustrated. But people think that if I have, I will be happy. But whereas you can see this yogis, spiritualists, they go to Himalayas and they leave everything. Even they don't wear dress also. Just langod bolte. Just the inner wear they will wear. That's it. And they leave everything. Like we have so many brahmacharis here. When we were working in IIT, they were passed out from IIT, NIT, and they got very high package. Still they left. Because it is not going to give happiness. So because it needs knowledge to see that, understand that. By accumulating, we will not get happiness. There is a nice example is there in Srimad Bhagavatam. There is one bird. So there were many birds were searching for food. So one bird got food, got a fish. उसको उठाया, उसको उठा के ऊपर चले गए थे, सारे पक्षी देख लिया. So what hey, everyone started attacking. They tried to eat that. They started pricking here, there, idhar, udhar. So what that bird has to do now? तो छोड़ देंगे शांति हो जाएगा. This attachment is like this, holding these things. As soon as you get so many problems, you'll get. Leave it peaceful. Persons who has so many things, he has to fearful. Once one person, a rich person was there. So he was one locker, so second locker, third locker. So like this, everything he keep his wealth very so many electronic device, locking system, everything he kept. So he was sleeping, and his home also no one can enter. So there is electric, no one can come. If you cross that electric also, there will be siren, sensor, and so many doors. This that all he kept. But while he was sleeping, then he got a sound. Pok, pok, pok. He became very fearful. Hey, what sound it is? Took so much time he was coming. Again he woke up. And the sound is not there. Again he slept, the sound came. Then again he woke up. Then immediately he became very fearful. He took the key and he opened locker, every locker. He saw whether all the wealth is safe. So everything is safe. Then again he closed everything. Then again he went and slept. Then after he woke up and he saw the key is not there. Became very fearful. What is key then? Went here, there, he called police, it is there. But while sleeping, instead of keeping in this packet, he kept in this packet. Small thing only, but he became such a fearful condition is there in this material world. But this opulent is not going to give happiness. Love and attachment. Okay. The real love, Srila Prabhupada says in this material world, is there only with mother and child, small child. Because the child so much gives trouble, but still the mother take it very happily. The child will cry night. They will be sleeping, mother will be. Then immediately she get up and she will see the child will be might be past stool or urine. She wake up and cleans the whole bed sheet, cleans the child, and then remove the bed sheet. Everything is there, and she again make the child sleep. And then again. So like this, the child may keep on cries every time. But mothers very lovingly does. For example, you are in train, some child is crying. How much you will be frustrated? Because I faced. Oh, kya bache. I have to get up early morning. I'm unable to sleep only. But his own child, their mother doesn't feel such a thing. Because my child. So that is there. But attachment means there may not be their love. Like a boy and girl, they come together, they stay, they reciprocate each other, loving each other. And then this is something like attachment only. As soon as the woman will say, my parents are not accepting, I cannot marry you. So immediately the woman goes, this fellow cannot tolerate. And he may commit suicide also. Because that attachment is too much. And other example, The real love we can have only with Lord Krishna only. Surdram Sarva Bhutanam. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. The only relationship you can have only with Krishna. The same lovers you see, after they get married, they will become frustrated each other. They get divorced also. What happened to that love? So in one sense, the real love can be there with Krishna. And attachment means it is for my enjoyment. I am attached to my car. I am attached to this food. Because it is my enjoyment that become attached. Love means you have to reciprocate. You want to reciprocate. I love my child, I will give. I love my friend, you are ready to do anything. Attachment means you want something. I love this thing, means I can enjoy that. When you say you can enjoy, we can say that is attachment. When you want to give some service, that is love. Love means immediately service. Like a mother, when I was studying away from my home, some 250, 300 kilometers. So whenever I go home, immediately, whatever I like, they will cook because the service mentality is there. Attachment means I want to enjoy. Yeah. Here it is that even scientists cannot give happiness. What scientists can give? Comfort. So these riches are going to give comfort only, not happiness. You are in 2 BHK, you can buy bungalow. We have two-wheeler, you can buy four-wheeler. So this happiness is there in mind level. So you can eat in small hotel also, you can eat in big star hotel also. What is that result is your hunger will be pacified. ऐसा नहीं उधर खाएंगे ही आपको भूख चले जाएगा ऐसा नहीं. You can eat in small some to इधर भी 4 चपाती खा सकते हो. बाहर कितना 30 रुपया 40 रुपया रहेगा फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर 400 500 you have to pay. Same chapati only. Same hunger only will be pacified. And you can sleep in simple नीचे भी एक छोटा सा चटाई डाल के सो सकते हैं. नहीं हम लोग कुशन बेड हजारों हजारों पैसा करके बट स्लीप इज सेम. कुत्ता भी रोड में सोते वो सेम है. इवन वी स्लीप इन सम वेरी sophisticated bedding facility. Same sleep is same. Similarly, this man-woman relationship also same. Either you marry a black woman or marry a white woman, or your white woman is marrying a black man or white man. That enjoyment is same only both what happen. But mind thinks, ये ड्रेस पहनूंगा ये अच्छा रहेगा. ये I don't have this car. If I have, I will become happy. It's all the trick of the mind. So the knowledge person should understand this mind is tricking me. If I get this job, if I get this position, so if I get this bike as a student, bike अच्छा लगता है उनको. ऐसा बाइक नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा चाहिए. ऐसा चाहिए है ना. So this all mind only. This mind tricks, mind demands all these things. So the person who is ignorant, he goes behind comfort. But knowledge person, enlightened, he goes behind God. He knows this is not going to give happiness. Then what will give happiness? Find out. Then finally he has to come to God. So it is not easy to come to God also. We will stay there and give this exam to everyone. We'll take exam and we'll invite everyone. Very few people will come for the class. Yes, उसको सुकृति बोलते. Where sukriti is there, then only you can come to God. Otherwise, one cannot. Sukriti means something like punya, but not exactly punya. Like you are coming to temple, taking darshan, hearing kirtan. This is sukriti. Taking prasadam. It is sukriti. Chanting one round. This is all sukriti. When the sukriti increases, then one will be qualified to come to bhakti. And when it is more increases, then only you can perform bhakti also. तो कुछ लोग मंदिर आते रोज भी आते दर्शन लेके चले जाते बस दूसरा कुछ नहीं लेना देना. कुछ लोग हफ्ते में एक बार आते हैं. हर शनिवार को मैं आता हूँ. हर रविवार को सुबह अच्छा लगता है. कुछ लोग सिर्फ डांस के लिए आते हैं. ऐसा भी है. 7 बजे इधर अच्छा कीर्तन होता है डांस के लिए आते हैं. कुछ लोग हर जन्माष्टमी के एक बार आ जाते हैं साल को एक बार. तो पीपल आर इन डिफरेंट वे बट ओनली फ्यू हु कैन प्रैक्टिस इट. दैट नीड्स सुकृति. That Sukriti word will come in 6th chapter. That time we can elaborately see what this Sukriti is. So this finally this no sense gratification is going to give happiness. Only this practicing bhakti is going to give real bliss. Bliss means not happiness. Happiness, bliss, difference is there. Bliss means anand bolte na. We cannot describe it in English also. So the thing is, Arjuna is fearful of sinful activity for fighting, and he is telling so many things like These people don't have, इनको बुद्धि नहीं, हम ऐसा ही क्या भगवान, he is telling directly that only. So better why we have to fight? Better let them only have everything. So this is what we are stopping until this loga. How many of you took darshan? गजवेश नो, कब तक है दर्शन, गजवेश दर्शन? ओके, it will be there until 9 I think today. So I will tell about little bit about Jagannath. Today Jagannath Snan Yatra was there. I circulated the poster also. स्नान यात्रा मतलब भगवान नहाते, भगवान स्नान करते, हम सभी लोगों को मौका मिलता है भगवान को स्नान करवाने के लिए. सो वी डिड इन द मॉर्निंग. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो हु इज द जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा? जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा. अभी तीन आल्टर है ना, राधा कृष्णा, गौर निताय, उधर है जगन्नाथ बलदेव. हु आर दे? कृष्णा ओनली. बलदेव इज बलराम, Subhadra is sister of Subhadra. So why they have this form? Who knows? थोड़ा डिफरेंट है ना फॉर्म. No, yes, recent. There are so many pastimes. Okay, this there in Jagannath Puri, this when they do this Navakalevaram, that time they keep this. All right. So why this? See, Krishna took many forms. He came as Ram, he came as Narsingadev. But why this Jagannath form? I am asking that. Something different, big eyes, not full hand, unmanifested form. Something he's telling. Okay, I will explain it. So this is very aesthetic form. कृष्णा इस इन अभी छोटे बच्चे के सामने जाके तीन चार आइसक्रीम दिखाएंगे सब आपके लिए, वो आँख एक बंद ऐसा कहते ना, मेरे के लिए some kind of ecstasy. So like this Jagannath also so much big eyes, this ecstasy form. So why this ecstasy form is? So before this Jagannath is very 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 compassionate. After hearing this pastime, you will come to understand how Jagannath is. May try. We have 2 more weeks for this Jagannath Ratha Yatra. So next 2 weeks also we'll have this pastime. So what happened? Before Jagannath, see, every living entity lives for 100 years, even Brahmaji also. So Brahmaji's first 50 years, Neela Madhav Bhagavan, BT will be there. Jagannath was Neela Madhav. Then he will become Jagannath after 50 years. So there was one king called Indra Maharaj. I will cut short because time is not there. So this Indra Maharaj told by Narada Muni, you have to worship this Neela Madhav Murti. Okay, he agreed. Okay, I will worship. Then he sent his head pujari. You go and find out the Neelamadhav. So he told this direction you have to go, you will find. So that time this Neelamadhav deity was worshipped by Sabara community. There's tribals. They are called tribe. They are tribals. They are called Sabaras caste. So they were worshipping. So this pujari went that direction and he somehow he went to that place, that Sabara community, and he stayed in that person where this person who is worshipping the Neelamadhav. So he asked the daughter, why your father is always sleeping in daytime? So he said he'll do night shift. Night shift, what he does? So he will go and do some worship. Whom he is worshipping? Then he became very eager because he came to find out the Nilamada only. So maybe he's worshipping Nilamada, he asked. Then he said, no, no, when I asked, he bet me. He said, I should not ask that all. So I did not ask. He said, then I want to see that. He was a guest in that home. He said, no, no, you cannot see. Even he is not ready to explain only how he will allow you to see. If you don't tell your father that I will come and see, I will not eat anything in your home. Then that woman became very fearful, his daughter, that if I don't tell he's a Brahmana, if I don't feed Brahmana, it will become sinful activity. So he went and told his father, convinced. His father told, I will take him, but I will tie his eye. I will not show the root. So he took him. उनको लेके जा जाते, इन्होंने क्या क्या जा जाते, एक बीज ना उसको फेंक दे गए रास्ता में, टू फाइंड आउट द पाथ. So he reached the place and he saw why they are worshipping. There is no standard only. Because the Sabra people is very niche jadi, but Lord was accepting their worship. Then he told, once this Nila Madhav, Lord Krishna only, he told in his dream, soon I will go to king, one king, I will accept worship from him. Because you are worshipping very simple. थोड़ा फल ले इतना ही खिलाते. जगन्नाथ क्या क्या खाते आपको पता नहीं. 56 आइटम्स दे विल कुक फॉर जगन्नाथ. 56 भोग बोलते रोज. और फिर 6 बार ऐसा ही बनाते रहते. सब सब्जी मार्केट सुना रहेगा. बट जगन्नाथपुरी में प्रसादम मार्केट है. आनंद बाजार बोलते हैं उसको. हमेशा सब सब प्रसाद ही मिलता है आपको. अंदर घुसेंगे वो ऐसा. ये रूम मतलब रूम नहीं, ये फ्लोर है ना. इसको भी बड़ा रहेगा, इसको 3-4 गुण रहेगा. तो फ्लोर का पूरा कुछ तो कुछ प्रसाद मिलता ही रहेगा. रबड़ी. सब मीटिंग एक जगह में राइस आइटम, एक में दाल स्वीट, ऐसा नमकीन, पूरा यही रहेगा. So Jagannath accepts. He like Jagannath is very easily you can please Jagannath. Krishna is very difficult. Gaurnita you have to do kirtan. Jagannath just to cook and feed him. He'll become very happy. He'll come to you only. This fellow is nicely cooking. So they are not properly. This Jagannath told to that Sabara person, I will go once. So he became. Then he remembered that. Oh, he is the king person. He came to take you only. He became fearful and agitated. If Nilamada is not there, whom I worship? It is impossible for me to think that. Then immediately he took that king, that pujari, he kept inside a room and he locked. अगर आप बाहर जाएंगे ही राजा को बोलेंगे, राजा को लेके आएंगे. अगर राजा को लेके आएंगे भगवान को भी लेके जाएंगे. और आपको मैं अंदर ही रह के लॉक कर देता हूँ. कैसे जाएंगे आप? सो उन्होंने ऐसा सोच के उनको अंदर लॉक कर दिया. बट उनको डॉक्टर था ना, उसका बेटी, उन्होंने लॉक खोल देते. फिर उन्होंने चले जाते राजा को बोलते. राजा भी बहुत मुश्किल से इधर आ जाते. 100 मिनट सबको लेके. फिर इधर आते आते 50 साल ब्रह्मा को हो जाते, नीलमाधव चले जाते. फिर उन्हें इतना है कि हमें कुछ तो गलती कर दिया, अपराध कर दिया, इसलिए भगवान को मैं मिला ही नहीं. सो वो सोचते हैं उधर एक महानदी करके एक रिवर है, उसमें मैं आ, आत्महत्या कर जाऊंगा, आई विल डाई. फिर नारद मुनि फिर आते, नहीं नहीं कुछ तो इसको पीछे कारण है. फिर दे स्टे देयर ओनली. बट दिस सबरा person is there na. He and his daughter, they will not eat anything, they will not drink anything, they will not sleep, because without Nila Madhav they are unable to think only that how I can do anything. So they slowly the body only left, means वो skeleton they became. ऐसा ही सोच की वो लोग मरा नहीं, बट skeleton में ही थे वो लोग, सब खा लिया. So what happened then? Narada Muni again told that wait, we will wait here. So they wait for some months. Then after that, one voice came and he told, now I will become Jagannath, Baladev Subhadra in this form. So you have to worship, you can worship me. So how I will come? He told, you have to make me in wood. वो जगन्नाथ है ना, वो wood है. There are 7 types are there. Lord can be. So that we will discuss later. Like one is in wood, metal, pearl, and in sand. Ganesh को करते हैं ना. So like this, many 7 types is there. In this one is wood is there. So Jagannath is made of wood. So he told that there is a river is there. There big log of wood will come. You take that wood and carve and make deity. भगवान मूर्ति बनाओ बोल दिया, ठीक है. So उन्होंने क्या, बड़ा बड़ा और लकड़ी भी आ गया था. Then he thought, okay, he sent elephant, a very big Bailwan to find. The elephant unable to pull the wood only. It's very heavy. And he sent so many elephants. Nothing. So how it is possible? एंड देन बैलवान लोगों को भी भेजा, कुछ नहीं हुआ. फिर बाद में बोला अब जाओ, वो सबरा, उनको कुछ तो नाम रहते, उनको जाके लेके आओ. वो जाके उनका नाम लेके बुलाते, आते ही नहीं. अरे कोई नहीं, ऐसा आप बोले बुलाओ बोल के, नील माधव आ गया ऐसा बोल के उनको लेके आओ. हो जाते, नील माधव आ गया, सो एंड सो पर्सन प्लीज कम, नील माधव हैज कम, सो एंड सो पर्सन प्लीज कम. इमीडिएटली स्केलेटन वेकअप, नील माधव हैज कम. वो डांस करते करते आया, सभी लोग डर गया इधर, हड्डी आ रहे. फिर वो बोले ये उठाएंगे, नारद मुनि ने बताया ये उठाएंगे. वो बैलवान लोग गुस्सा हो गए, हमारे पास इतना मसल ये वो है, तो सिर्फ हड्डी है, वो उठाएंगे क्या? फिर वो बोले किधर है नीला माधव, किधर है नीला माधव? वो बोले देखो उधर. दे saw the wood and they understood, yes it is my नीला माधव. they danced for a long time. they went and easily lifted. ऐसे बच्चों को उठा के लेके आते, ऐसे उसको उठा के आसान से लेके आ गया. लेके आके ऐसा गुंडीचा बोल के एक जगह रहते उधर जगन्नाथपुरी में, वहां पर लेके जाके रख दिया. देन दे डाइड देयर. So then the king thought, now we will make DT. But what DT to make? ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा थिन वुड है, धारू है, क्या करना है इसको? ठीक है, नारद नारायण ऐसे एक फॉर्म बनाएंगे। सो सारे राजाओं को बुलाया, सारे कारपेंटर को बुलाया। सो ऐसा अच्छा बनाना है बोल के वो लोग काटने के लिए ट्राई किया, ब्लेड टूट जा रहे। कितना कितना बड़ा बड़ा वेपन सब कुछ लेके आया, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। कैसे ये काटने के लिए इतना दिक्कत कैसे हो रहा है? सो देवर बिकेम वेरी fearful only to cut this. So he brought every carpenter, everywhere he brought. No one is able to do. He said, we cannot do. We tried our best. Then there is one person came, his name is Vishwakarma. He came through, he's an engineer in heavenly planet. So who built Arjuna's palace also, right? So huh? Dwarka also he built. So he told, I will make. He came as a Brahmana, very thin, old Brahmana. So everybody was laughing. आप क्या बनाएंगे? इधर बड़े बड़े लोग हैं, इतने बलवान लोग हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं हुआ है। मैं करता हूँ, मुझे 21 दिन टाइम दे दो। एक नियम है, कोई देखना मत इसको मैं बना रहा हूँ। राजा ने बोला ठीक है। सो ही केप्ट एवरीथिंग एंड ही क्लोज्ड नाइसली वुड ही केप्ट इन हिज पैलेस ओनली ही केप्ट। सो इनके सिर हवा जाते टक 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 टक, तो वो लोग सुनते कुछ तो चल रहा है। तो दे वर हैप्पी। सो it was going for some 12, 13 days. After that, the sound was stopped. The queen became fearful. Brahmana died or what? अगर ब्राह्मण मर गया मतलब ब्रह्म हत्या हो जाएगा, बड़े पाप लग जाएगा। तो उन्होंने जाके राजा को बताया, इंद्र ने महाराज को। नहीं नहीं, उन्होंने बोला दरवाजा को नहीं खोलना है। 12 दिन ही हुआ, उन्होंने बोला 21 दिन। नहीं नहीं, उनको मर गया अभी क्या हो जाएगा, ब्रह्म हत्या ले जाएगा, चलेगा? फिर वो सोचा ठीक है। वो खाया नहीं, पिया नहीं, सोया नहीं। फिर टोक टोक वो आवाज हम सुन के पता चलता है वो जिंदा है। फिर वो दरवाजा खोला, कोई नहीं था। वो मूर्ति ऐसा बना था, unmanifested, not completed. Then he was so much fearful. My Lord, I opened the door and I did अपराध। लॉर्ड was not completely manifested। बड़े पाप कर दिया मैं, उन्हें रो रहा था। फिर नारद मुनि ने आया। नारद मुनि देखा, completed, completed, this form is completed, this is that form। Said, what are you telling? Hand also not proper, not complete hand is there। No, this is that form, I have seen this form already। उन्होंने वो उत्तर दिया, वही है। सो व्हाट हैपेंड वंस इन, थोड़ा जल्दी बताता हूँ। इन मथुरा, everybody wants to know that childhood pastime of Krishna. It was so sweet. Krishna is so naughty, so beautiful, so many things like breaking the pot, all these things they want to hear. They know little bit, little bit. So they thought, who can tell us? Only Rukmini Mata, sorry, Rohini Mata can tell. Who is Rohini? Mother Rohini? Balram ka mata. So she only have seen that. In Vrindavan also she see. Now she is in Mathura pastime also seen. She knows full pastime. So they told, please, you tell us the pastime. She agreed. So she was ready to tell the pastime. Everybody was sitting. But one condition, whenever I tell, Krishna Balram should not hear this. If they hear, they will go in ecstasy. There, see, भगवान खुद उनका पास टाइम सुनने वो बहुत ये एस्टेसी में चले जाते हैं, बहुत पागल हो जाते हैं। सो फिर क्या करना है? वी हैव टू कीप वन वॉचमैन, he should stand outside the door. So this all women were there. So they kept Subhadra as the watchman. You stand. If your brother comes, you should intimate. Okay, fine. So she was standing and she started explaining the Leelas. So everybody was fully absorbed. And Subhadra Mai also. She forgot why am I standing there. She was very much absorbed and hearing so much beautiful, sweet, nectarian pastime. Krishna Balram also came. क्या चल रहा है इधर, क्यों इन्होंने बाहर खड़ा है, क्यों अंदर क्या चल रहा है इतने लोग? वो लोग भी जाके सुनने के लिए चल गए। वो लोग सुनते 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 उनका आग पूरा इतना बाहर बड़ा हो गया। देयर हैंड्स ऑल स्टार्टेड melting। They came in this form। So that time Narada Muni was coming, he saw that form। I saw this form, I saw this form, very beautiful form। He started jumping, then immediately they came to consciousness, Krishna Balan, they came to normal form। Then Krishna told, see, you have seen that form, don't tell to anyone, it is very confidential। No one should see this form, it is very aesthetic, very high, no one can understand this form, people will criticize, so don't tell to anyone। Very beautiful form, how I can say, I cannot tell to anyone, no, impossible। नारद मुनि सब ऐसा ही करते, थोड़ा अलग ही करते। फिर he told, okay, if I should not tell to anyone, you should give me one promise। Krishna told, okay, whatever you want I will give, but don't tell to anyone। Yes, I will not tell to anyone। Okay, what do you want? You should give this darshan to everyone। now Krishna ने हार गए। आपने बोला वचन, आपके एक, you said I will promise you, I need now this thing. Then Lord said, okay, in Kali Yuga, I will give this darshan to everyone. So this is Patita Pavan. One who is, that's why this Jagannath Rath Yatra will happen. So in Jagannath temple, these Muslims, like नीचे जाति लोग जो भी है, उनको अंदर जाने के लिए अलो नहीं करते. Christians, Muslims, they are all not allowed. Even they are devotees also, ISKCON devotees also, they won't allow. So Jagannath said, you don't come, and these people are not allowing. I will come. That's why he will come in Rath Yatra, Jagannath Rath Yatra. So that's why Sunday, 7th, on 7th Sunday, this Rath Yatra will happen. Lord Jagannath will go everywhere. He is very happy to see everyone. Now I am going to see all people, everyone will become devotee. I am giving an opportunity. So Jagannath himself is coming to your door. That's how this Rath Yatra happens. So I will tell one more pastime and I will complete here. Will tell? Or there was one fisherman. उनका नाम था रघु. उन्होंने मछली पकड़ते, उन्होंने क्या किया एक दिन, ये डिवोट भक्त लोग चर्चा कहते भगवान के ऊपर, वो भी जाके सुनेंगे क्या बोल रहे. वो सुन रहा था, एक ही चीज वो हर बार सुनते रहते, हम हत्या नहीं करना है, हम हत्या नहीं करना है. वो परेशान हो गया थे आ जाओ. फिर अगले दिन गया, वही सुना, फिर आ गया. क्यों वो परेशान हो गया? क्या फिशरमैन हैज टू किल, इफ यू से शुड नॉट किल देन. वो फिर भी उनको कुछ तो अच्छा लगता है वो सुनने का. फिर वो जाते जाते क्या हुआ, उनको मन में अच्छा बैठ गया, हम हत्या नहीं करना है. देन ही स्टॉप killing the fish, means he stopped going fishing only, means he stopped his job only. Then he came to home and he was just telling the name of Narayana and chanting, and his wife, children all started chastising. अरे आप क्या कुछ नहीं करे, हम खाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, मैं कैसे एक काम करूंगा, मैंने सुना था हत्या नहीं करना है, हत्या करेंगे वो बहुत बड़े पाप है, और आप हत्या नहीं करेंगे हम कैसे खाएंगे, हम नहीं खाएंगे बोले हम मर जाएंगे, अभी हमको हत्या कर रहे हैं आप. बोले फिर वैसे हाँ ये भी सही है. अभी क्या करना है, कौन सा चीज सही है. एंड एवरीबडी वाज चैसिंग, गो एंड डू वर्क, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं आप, जाओ जाके काम करो बोल रहे. फिर उन्हें क्या करना है समझ नहीं आ रहा था. उन्हें ठीक है जाएंगे बोल के फिर उनका बोट लेके चले गए. पकड़ा, बहुत बड़ा मछली मिल गया उनको, एकदम बड़ा. उनको लगा एक हफ्ते प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है अभी. फिर वो मछली को देखा, उनको तुरंत क्या याद आ गया, हाँ हाँ हत्या नहीं करना है, बट उनको याद क्या याद आ गया, फिश इनकारनेशन. लॉर्ड्स फर्स्ट इनकारनेशन इज इस मत्स्य अवतार, वो याद आ गया उनको. अच्छा मत्स्य अवतार है कि भगवान ही है. सो इसको पूरा दंडवत किया, प्रणाम किया. मैं आपको अभी क्या करूंगा मुझे पता ही नहीं, आप ही मत्स्य अवतार ही है, मैं आपको मृत्यु करूंगा, मतलब आपको मारने के लिए मुझे इच्छा नहीं हो रहा है. फिर सोचा क्या ठीक है, आई हैव टू किल माई फैमिली सफरिंग. उन्होंने पकड़ा गला को, मारने के लिए गया, नारायणा बचाओ बोल के मछली ने चिल्लाया. फिर उनको डर गया. वही मंत्र मैं भी बोलते थे, वो मछली भी बोल रहे मैं क्या करूंगा, ये भी नारायण बोल रहे. फिर उन्होंने बहुत ये हो गया, डिस्टर्ब हो गया, वो मछली को लेके एक वन में चले गया, अभी मैं किधर भी नहीं जाऊंगा, घर भी एक गड्ढा किया, थोड़ा पानी डाला, मछली को छोड़ दिया उधर. उन्हें भगवान का नाम जप करने के लिए चालू कर दिया, नारायण नाम. उन्हें बताया आप तब तक आपका रूप मुझे नहीं दिखाएंगे, नारायण रूप में यहाँ से नहीं जाऊंगा, इधर ही बैठूंगा जप करूंगा. वो जप करने के चालू किया, नारायण ओम नमो नारायण ओम नमो नारायण करते बैठे थे. फिर रात हो गया, वन है वो फॉरेस्ट में एक शेर भी आ गया रात में. उनको दिख रहा है कुछ तो है उधर पशु, उसका लाइट ऐसा दिखता है. सो उनको आवाज देखा, शेर है. फिर वो डर गया, फिर भी छोड़ा नहीं नाम, भगवान का नाम लेने के लिए. भगवान का नाम लेते वो शेर बहुत पास में आया, वो आवाज किया, फिर उन्होंने कान को बंद कर दिया. वो बहुत पास में आया, मुंह खोला था खाने के लिए, वो फिर गंदा आवाज आ रहा था उसको. इट डजंट यूज सम कोलगेट पेप्सोडेंट समथिंग, डजंट ब्रश राइट. उसको फिर मुंह पे भी नीचे कर दिया, आग भी बंद कर दिया, भगवान का नाम बोला. फिर उनको लगा कुछ तो मुझे खाने के चालू करे. उन्हें बहुत इतना ऑब्जर्व भगवान का नाम लेने के लिए चालू किया, वो सब भूल गया, डीपली गया भगवान का नाम में, इतना डीप ऑब्जर्व हो गया. फिर भगवान का नाम लेते लेते फिर कुछ समय के बाद उनको पता चला वो आवाज नहीं आ रहे. फिर कान को खोल दिया, गंदा आवाज भी नहीं है. फिर सीधा बैठा, फिर आग भी खोल के देखा, सुबह हो गया, शेर भी नहीं है. तो भगवान मुझे बचा दिया, इतना उनने संतुष्ट हो गया. और शेर मुझे खा रहा था, उनको लगा कुछ तो खा रहे हैं मुझे, सब कुछ उनको लगा. पर अभी कैसे क्या हुआ, पर उनको बहुत विश्वास बढ़ गया भगवान का नाम के ऊपर. फिर उन्हें इतना ये डर से उनने कर रहे हैं, बट घर पे उनको बहुत हल्ला बुल्ला चल रहा है उधर. उन्हें किधर गया, खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं लेके आया, बच्चे लोग रो रहे, सब रो रहे, क्या करना है. फिर एक ब्राह्मण ने आया उधर, इनको देखा, वो ब्राह्मण को उन्होंने भी देखा, उन्होंने रघु रघु करके उनसे बात करने के लिए आया. अब इधर क्या करे, घर पे जाओ, आपको घर पे क्या क्या हो रहा है मालूम क्या, उन्हें सब कुछ बताया। कुछ भी होने दो, उन्हें सब कुछ बताया क्या हुआ। तब तक ये मछली में भगवान को रूप नहीं दिखाएंगे, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। अरे मछली कैसे दिखाएंगे आपको, अब पागल हो गया क्या, बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं सुना मीना अवतारी है ये, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। फिर ब्राह्मण बोला क्या करेंगे अभी, नहीं इतना पागल नाम ले रहे भगवान का बोल के। फिर अभी अब क्या चाहिए बोल रहे आप, बोले भगवान को रूप मुझे देखना है। क्या रूप देखना है मुझे, आपको देखना है भगवान को 4 हाथ रहते, तुरंत वो ब्राह्मण 4 हाथ प्रकट किए। शंखु चक्र गदा पद्म रहे, शंखु चक्र गदा पद्म, सुंदर मुकुट रहते, सब कुछ बताया, ऐसे वो ब्राह्मण बन गया। कौन है वो ब्राह्मण, जगन्नाथ खुद आया। जगन्नाथ खुद आया, बोले फिर उन्होंने बहुत दंडवत किया, प्रणाम किया। अभी आप जाएंगे ना, रघु बोले जाऊंगा, बट अभी घर जाएंगे मुझे डांटेंगे मारेंगे। इतने दिन से इसलिए मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, बोले अरे अभी बोले आप जाएंगे फिर नहीं जाएंगे बोल रहे आप। नहीं अभी जाएंगे, मैं के मछली इछली पकड़ने के लिए मुझे बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं अभी। मैं कुछ काम नहीं करूंगा, फिर घर में मुझे डांटेंगे काम करने के लिए, मेरे कोई हत्या करने के लिए भी इच्छा नहीं। ठीक है आप हत्या मत करो, अच्छा ही है ना, बट कौन संभालेंगे। ठीक है मैं संभालता हूँ। आप संभालेंगे, मैं संभालता हूँ। ठीक है सिर्फ मेरे को नहीं, मेरा फैमिली पूरा का संभालना। फिर भगवान बोला फैमिली पूरा को, ठीक है मैं संभालता हूँ आपको। जो चीज जरूर थे, रोटी कपड़ा मकान में दे देता हूँ। ठीक है बोला, रोज देना है मुझे, बोला रोज। ठीक है देता हूँ वो भी। फिर क्या, अभी जा बोले, फिर भी मैंने जाने के लिए इच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों फिर, इतना अच्छा सुंदर दर्शन लिया है मुझे, मुझे और एक आप वचन भी देना है। कभी भी मैं आपको सोचूंगा आप आना है मेरे सामने। ठीक है वो भी मैं कहता हूँ, चले जाओ बोले। उन्हें चले गया। फिर घर जाके बोला से अभी मैं कुछ काम ही नहीं करूंगा, जो चाहिए मैं लेके आ जाऊंगा। ठीक है हमको खाने के मिल गया, ठीक है बोलोगे बोले। फिर अगले दिन ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम हो गया, 10 हो गया, 9, 9 10 9:30, 10 बज गया। कुछ खाने के लिए नहीं मिले, फिर सोचा भगवान ने बताया था। क्या हो गया भगवान, फिर बाहर चले गया उन्होंने। वो घर वाले डांटने के लिए तैयारी थे, मैं तुरंत बाहर चले के गया। फिर एक ब्राह्मण ने आया, सारे खाने का सब चीज लेके आया। ऐसा मेरे घर में श्रद्धा सेरेमनी हुआ था, मैं एक ब्राह्मण को देने वाला था, बट मैंने सुना आप अभी भक्त बन गया, इसलिए मैं आपको सब दे देता हूँ। ठीक है उन्होंने ले लिया सब कुछ, घर लेके दिया, देखो दे दिया भगवान ने। फिर बोला भगवान ने सोचा हर दिन मैं कैसा ऐसा अरेंज करूंगा, क्योंकि मैं वचन भी दे दिया है। अभी क्या करना है सोचा उन्हें, ठीक है। फिर अगले दिन ऐसा ही कोई तो ऐसा लेके आके देते ब्राह्मण, ये वो बोल के। सिर्फ लोग क्या बोले इनको, इन्होंने कुछ काम नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं करते, सिर्फ भगवान को नाम लेते, टाइम पास करते, बिकेम वेरी लेजी पर्सन। लोग उनको बहुत गाली देते, किधर जाके बैठ के भगवान को नाम लेते, कुछ गाली देते, कुछ उनको फेंकते, पत्थर फेंकते। फिर दूसरे जगह में जाते। ऐसा एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक छोटे बच्चे लोग उनको पीछे पड़े, डांटते डांटते उनका ऐसा गाली देते रहते, वो भगवान को नाम लेते। एक बच्चे ने क्या किया, एक लकड़ी लेके जोर से मार दिया। वो थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो गया, डिस्टर्ब हो गया, उन्होंने बोला अब मुझे मारा, मैं भगवान को भक्त हूँ, देखो आपको क्या हो गएगा। ऐसा बोल के चले गए। वो तुरंत बोला था वो बच्चे, मृत्यु हो गया उनको, मतलब वो गिर गया नीचे तुरंत। सभी बच्चे लोग डर गए क्या हो गया इनको, फिर उनको माँ को जाके बताया। इनको माँ भी देखा क्या हुआ है पता नहीं, फिर सब डायरेक्ट डॉक्टर को बुलाया, सारे डॉक्टर को बुलाया कि सब डॉक्टर के आके उनको देखा, उनको सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया। क्या सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट। फिर उनको डेथ सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया, चले गए। अभी वो लोग वो रो रहे थे, क्या हो गया पूछा, ऐसा ऐसा रघु ने बताया इनको मृत्यु हो गया। फिर उनको घर पे ही लेके जाएंगे अभी। वो डेड बॉडी को लेके घर पे लेके गया, सुबह लेके जाए, शाम तक घर पे ही थे। वो रघु ने ऐसा बोल दिया मेरे बच्चों को मार दिया। फिर रघु भी आया, क्या चल रहा है मेरे घर के बाहर ऐसा, वो घर भी छोटा घर पे, फिर क्यों ऐसा बोले, वो लोग सब लोग उनको डांट रहे। सो बाद में उन्होंने बताया ऐसा मैं कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने ऐसे बोले भगवान कुछ तो कर दिया, मेरे को क्यों बोल रहे हैं, जगन्नाथ ही कुछ तो किया। मैं बोला जगन्नाथ कुछ क्या करेंगे, देखो बोले जगन्नाथ ही किया, बोले नहीं आप नहीं कहते, आपने मान लिया। फिर उनको पेरेंट्स को देखा, उनको थोड़ा दुख लगा, इतना रो रहे। फिर उन्हें प्रार्थना किया, मेरे हिसाब से हो गया भगवान, इनको माफ कर दीजिए बोले। फिर तुरंत उन्हें उड़ गया, सब मैजिक हो गया। अरे डेथ सर्टिफिकेट दिया डॉक्टर ने, अभी क्या हो गया इनको, उड़ गया इन्होंने। फिर उन्हें बच्चे उड़ गए। फिर लोग सब डर गए रघु को देखे, अगर हमको कुछ बोलेंगे क्या होएगा, हम क्या क्या इनको बताए। बहुत लोग गाली देते पहले इनको, लेजी ये वो बोलते। फिर सभी लोग डर के रघु आप ये राइस ले लो, आप दाल ले लो, सभी लोग आके कुछ तो उनके देते। इतना देने के लिए चालू हो गया, ये न्यूज सबको स्प्रेड हो गया। दूसरे गांव से भी लोग आके इनको कुछ तो देते। रघु ने सोचा क्या है, इतना सामान आ गया मेरे पास, अभी घर का रखने के लिए भी जगह नहीं। चोरी भी है कि नहीं चोरी करते, अगर चोरी करेंगे उन्होंने कुछ बोल देंगे, जो चोरी किए उनको मृत्यु होने दो, क्या होएगा फिर, चोरी भी नहीं आते। इतना है पड़े था उनके पास खाने का। फिर एक दिन रघु ने सोचा इतना भगवान ने दिया मुझे, मैं कुछ तो भगवान को करना है। सो इन्होंने सोचा, मैंने बोला था भगवान को कभी भी मैं याद करूंगा, आप आना है। सो इन्होंने बोलता है वो वाइफ को, अच्छा अच्छा पदार्थ बनाओ, स्वीट सब कुछ बनाओ, पकौड़ी, राइस, दाल, पूरी, चपाती सब बनाओ, इतना आपको हो सकता है उतना उतना उन्होंने भी बना दिया। तो उन्होंने एक पर्दा बनाया, मुझे बना भगवान को अभी खिलाना है, बोल के भगवान को याद किया, प्रार्थना किया, भगवान को खिलाना है बोल के उन्होंने बोला, इसलिए भगवान छोटे बाल गोपाल रूप लेके उनको गोद में आके बैठ गए, तुरंत उन्हें खिलाने के लिए चालू कर दिया भगवान को। तो जगन्नाथ खुद उधर से इधर आ गया, जगन्नाथपुरी वहां से 25-30 किलोमीटर, जगन्नाथ ने इधर आके इनको गोद में बैठे, इन्होंने खिलाने के चालू कर दिया रघु। सो जगन्नाथपुरी में कैसे है, भगवान को कैसे खिलाते हैं, भोग लगाते हैं, इधर भोग लगाते समय हम आल्टर बंद करते हैं, पूरी में आल्टर बंद नहीं करते, सामने सामने सब कुछ होता है। सो पुजारी लोग 3 लोग बैठ जाते हैं, गरुड़ जी रहते हैं उसके पीछे, एक जगन्नाथ के सामने, बलदेव सामने, सुभद्रा के सामने, पानी रखते, वो भोग लगा के पानी में देखते, तब तक भगवान को मुख नहीं दिखेगा, वो लोग लेते नहीं, मतलब भगवान स्वीकार नहीं किया उसको, उनको अभी भी आज भी ऐसा ही चलते हैं, भगवान को मुख दिखना है उनको, भगवान उधर है, ये लोग इधर बैठते, और वो भी इतना डिस्टेंस रहते, बहुत डिस्टेंस, भगवान को रूप दिखने के बाद तुरंत भगवान ने स्वीकार कर लिया, तब तक भगवान खा रहे हैं, अभी हो गया, उनको इंडिकेशन देंगे, फिर उसको प्रसाद को लेके आएंगे। सो उस दिन भगवान नहीं आ रहे थे, राजा भी बहुत विचलित हो गया, क्या हो गया, सबको प्रसाद लेके जाने, आनंद बाजार में लोग वेट कर रहे हैं प्रसाद के लिए, कि भगवान खाया ही नहीं अभी तक, क्या अपराध हो गया। तो राजा जी ने सोचा, मैंने इतना अच्छा अच्छा चीज भेजा था, फिर भी भगवान नहीं ले रहे, कुछ तो अपराध कर दिया क्या मैं, भगवान बहुत इसलिए ऐसे सो गया उन्होंने, फिर भगवान स्वप्न में बताया, अरे मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, अगर मैं नहीं है मतलब अब कैसे मैं खाऊंगा, आप कितना भी भोग लगाओ मैं नहीं खाऊंगा। फिर बोले कहाँ पर है आप, सब कुछ बताया, तुरंत राजा तुरंत गया उधर, उन्हें चप्पल भी नहीं पहना, ये भी मुकुट भी नहीं पहना, ऐसे चले गया जल्दी जल्दी, ऐसा इस जगह में रघु का घर पे हूँ, तुरंत आया, रघु किधर है, पूछा उधर, ऐसा घर पे है, मुझे जाना है, लेके जाओ, बोले राजा आप कैसे जा रहे हैं इधर, आप नहीं जाने ऐसे, अरे आपको नहीं मालूम वो कौन है, भगवान को बांध के रखा है उन्होंने। तो जाके वो स्वप्न में पूछते उन्होंने, आप क्यों उधर गए, आप आना है ना, भगवान ने बोला, अरे मैं फंस गया, मैं नहीं आऊंगा अभी, राजा को स्वप्न में बताया, आप फंस गया, आपको फंसाने वाले कौन है, मेरा भक्त है ना। आप कब आएंगे, पहले बोलते आप किधर गए, पूछते, बोले मैं आउट ऑफ स्टेशन हूँ। आप कब आएंगे, बोलते पता नहीं कब छोड़ेंगे मुझे। वो खिलाते जाए, बोले आपको पता ही भी नहीं, आप फंस गए अभी। फिर आपके में खुद ही आती, वो देखते पर्दा खोल के भगवान तुरंत चले जाते, भगवान सबको नहीं देखते वो दर्शन, फिर वो उनको आलिंगन करते, अब इतने बड़े भक्त है, आपको देख ही मैं बहुत शुद्ध हो गया, इतना भगवान को प्रिय भक्त है, फिर उनको एक सेवा दिया, भगवान को आप रोज भोग लगाना है, जगन्नाथ स्वामी की जय। सो हम हर हफ्ते थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा पास टाइम करेंगे, और 2 हफ्ते है हमको, विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट बिफोर रथ यात्रा। सो विल स्टॉप हियर, टुडे विल नॉट चैंट, ऑलरेडी लेट हो गया। कुछ प्रश्न है आप पूछ सकते हैं।